Hi traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to make complete trading setup with Fortrade broker. First we'll create an account in this broker. After we create trading account and then we start trading using this broker. So this is complete guide for beginner trader. At the end of this video you will be ready to trade in real market using this broker. So let's start. First you need to click on the link given in video description. After this click on sign up. This is the account opening form. Here you need to write your full name, email address, and phone number. Click join now. So now we are successfully register our account into this broker. This is our password. So save these all credentials and click continue. So this is our main broker dashboard. Click create real account. Here we need to provide some personal information, country of residence, building number, street, city and postal code, country of citizenship, place of birth, currency, and set your trading account password. Write your date of birth, click next. Here you need to provide employment status, self-employed, position. I'm going to select financial service. Write your annual income, source of fund. Click next. Write your trading experience. Click next. Tick this box by checking the box to the left. Go to menu and upload documents to verify your identity. Identification proof. Here you need to provide your front side ID card picture or driving license. And in proof of address you need to provide any bank statement or utility bill. Now we are ready to trade using this broker. Just go to trade option. And here you can trade using this broker. This is broker owned terminal and very easy to use. Just go to deposit option and fund your account. Select amount you want to deposit. Click next. And these are deposit method. pay using Binance or other exchanges using BTC method, or you can deposit using wire transfer or local bank. So guys, that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.